In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chatgpt on Windows 10. This guide is designed to be simple and straightforward, guiding you through the installation process in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to the Microsoft Store. You can easily find it by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Microsoft Store into the search bar, and it should appear right at the top of your program list. Give it a click, and you'll be directed to the store's main interface, which is packed with various apps and features. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, the next step is to go to the Chatgpt page. Simply use the search bar located at the top of the window. Type in Chatgpt and press Enter, and you should see Chatgpt among the search results. Click on it to head to its dedicated page, where you can learn more about what this app offers. Now, you should see a Get button somewhere on the page. This is your cue to download and install the application. Click on that Get button, and your system will take care of the rest. The app should start downloading right away and will install automatically after the download is complete. It shouldn't take more than a few moments depending on your internet speed. With the app now installed, it's time to open it. You can do this by navigating back to your Start menu. You'll either see Chatgpt listed among your recently added programs, or you can search for it specifically just as we did earlier for the Microsoft Store. Click on it to launch the app, and you're one step closer to engaging with Chatgpt. Upon opening the app, you'll be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in seamlessly. However, if you're new to Chatgpt, you'll need to create an account. This usually requires providing an email address, creating a password, and occasionally verifying your email. Don't worry, this step is quick and designed to secure your future interactions with the application. And there you have it. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start using Chatgpt. Feel free to explore the various features and capabilities it offers. Whether you're using it for productivity, information, or just a bit of fun and exploration, Chatgpt is a powerful tool to have on your Windows 10 machine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this simple step-by-step guide has helped you comfortably install Chatgpt on your computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Happy chatting!